This mighty demonstration is featured by distinguished personalities and masses of manpower. New York at war, and Annapolis midshipmen march to represent the fleet. And that float represents Latin America. Princess Martha of Norway watching the Czechoslovak float, symbolizing the United Nations. And the cause of Christianity is recalled by church dignitaries at St. Patrick's. Martyred Greece is represented by its own monarch. King George watches from a reviewing stand with Vice President Wallace, a pageant of native Hellenic costumes bringing memories of the historic Greek love of freedom. West Point cadets, the Army. The Bataan and Corregidor float, honoring the soldiers and their leaders, General MacArthur, General Wainwright, and Philippine President Quezon. There he is. Motion pictures rally for the war effort, and we see British sailors and another distinguished personality, the Duchess of Windsor. The nurses march in this parade of 500,000. It's the biggest that New York has ever known. Mass effects prevail with a climax of military might. The tanks tell a story of modern war and mechanized power. March of the troops, masses of manpower. New York at war, America at war. The tramp of soldier feet, the sway of soldier ranks, making a picture that simply shouts an epic of America mobilized for victory.